Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to block and unblock a person. So the first step is go the application of Instagram, and after that you need to go to the option of your profile, and in your profile you need to go to the superior part of the app in the button of settings and activity. This is this button with these three lines, and after that you need to search the option of block it, and here you got the person you get on a block. So here I got three person blocks, and the only thing you need to do to block a person is go to this button of the superior right corner, and you can choose the person you want to block. If you want to block, for example, this account, you pick here and block, and that person is add to this list. So if you want unblock that person, you pick here in unblock, and that person is unblock of your list. You pick in unblock, and that's it. You unblocking that person. So this is the process. It's an easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.